Hey guys, back with another update, and here's my little friend here. I had to pry him out of his case, and so here's the disc. It's really burnt and bad, but I wanted to test if it would still work, so I'll just set this off to the side here, and let's plug in my external drive because nobody has CD drives anymore. Let's open this up. Okay. We'll just have to somehow fit this in here. Maybe, oh, this might work here. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, that should work. So hopefully this will work, and oh yeah, right here. So I guess let's see if my files are still okay. There's only one file here. I was too young. This is so sad, guys. I wasn't ready. Rest in Pepperoni mixtape.